To make mac and cheese, there are two parts. First, we have to boil the pasta, and second, we need to prepare the white sauce or the bechamel sauce. We will take 100 grams of pasta and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll strain out the water. Now for the white sauce, we need equal amount of butter and equal amount of flour to make the roux. I have taken 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of flour, and then we will cook the roux for 2 to 3 minutes. So once our roux is cooked, we will add 500 ml of milk and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Now to check the consistency of the sauce, we have to take our ladle and run our index finger, and if we end up with a clean line in the middle, our sauce is ready. This is called nappe consistency. For the seasoning, we will add salt, black pepper, our cooked pasta. At this stage, you can also add 1/4 tablespoon of English or continental mustard. Now you have to add 100 grams of grated cheese. Here I have used a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. We have to give it a good mix, and when we see the cheese is completely incorporated, then we have to move on to the next step. At the end, we will add some more cheese on the top, and either we will brown it under a salamander or we will bake it in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Please tell us in the comment section what to make next, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are given in the description down below.